6 ml. 6 ml of Bella, guys. Belabas, baby, Belabas, baby. Okay, guys. It's time to cook Bella's rice. Yes, taboo! Okay, guys. Guys, this is the complete meal of Bella, guys. It's time to smash, guys. Bella, guys, is 7-month-old na, kaya pwede nang ismas ang kanyang meal, guys. Yes. Magtra-transfer lang tayo ng ano mo dami. Okay. Transfer tayo dun sa and then, tapos, I'm going to add some milk, guys. Guys, lagyan natin ng milk para hindi masyadong okay. May buo-buo. Bella loves to drink water, guys.